More adventure. Hi, more adventure. Thank you for watching. Wow, you really from Texas? Wow, do you show some famous place of Hong Kong? Yeah, I've been in Macau and in Hong Kong. Like I'm here in Saigon. Last Sunday I went to the very famous Saigon, like it's a stone. Yes, many here in Hong Kong, famous place, very many. And because I'm working, so I'm out at 7 p.m. So wait. Do you show some famous place? Hi from Texas. Hi. I'm searching for the eye cover softener. The eye cover softener, but then no, I think no stocks at all. Do you show some famous place? Yes. I have a lot of photos in my Instagram that I've been there, but in my YouTube channel now, I did not. You are High K-drama aesthetic. You're from Hong Kong? Where are you from? No more softener. Really don't. At least 1 minute of video is needed to start a highlight. Kaya humauwak sa aking kamay. Iyong bigay. Wait, I pressed the green screen.